Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share a very happy birthday card. Every year we go to visit family, and my husband's mother loves strawberries just as much as I do. Um, and I had to make, well, her birthday is coming up, so I made her a quick little card to wish her happy birthday. And I used this old paper pad from Authentique. I'm going through my papers and I was organizing them so I can use them because I don't use them enough. And I saw this paper pad that has, like red gingham and red stripes and some strawberries. It's a double-sided paper pad. It is so adorable. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this paper. It's hard for me to break, to cut into this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is adorable. Um, so I used that. I used stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I used them in a background. So if you don't know what to do with your stickers, make a background with them because and especially if it's themed. I think that's it, and I just used cardstock. I used some Hobby Lobby happy birthday stickers, and this is my card. So I used the basket paper that you see here, and because it reminds me of, walking through the strawberry fields and picking strawberries. And then in the background, I just layered some stickers on a piece of white cardstock. And I went over the edges, so it doesn't look like it's symmetrical. And then I just cut around it, and it makes it look really cool. Here's the Hobby Lobby sticker. And then I just backed it with some red cardstock. And this is a beige or craft cardstock, 110 cardstock. And then inside, I do have a little piece of that ephemera or that cut apart in the paper pad. And then I had this little strawberry sticker, and I don't know where I found it. And I just layered it inside. I'm going to write my message here. And then there is my stamp. It says, inspired by life, one of a kind, art created by me, created by hand. So very sweet and simple for my mother-in-law's birthday. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.